This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Okay, try that again. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Give me 1 second. I'm a little bit behind. Totally forgot to do one important thing. Two important things. I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. Mr. G, good morning. How was your Friday? TGIF. It's been one heck of a week. Okay. ES dipped down to 53.13. Looks like its high was 24. Yeah, 24 twice. So only about 11 points in range. NQ dipped to 617. So I its high was 677. Hey, I can do that math. About 60 points in range. Kappa had another good night. Good night. Oh, about 240 ticks of range. Gold trying to get back above 24. About 16 points of range. The Ultra Bond dipping dots. About 3/4 of a point in range. Crude oil dipping down again. Looks like about 75 ticks in range. Natural gas heading up. And last but not least, Bitcoin up to 66. Morning, G-Man. Still in Texas. Both G's are into his house. Sorry. This is for my G's, and this is for my hustlers, and this is for my hustlers, and back to my G's. Little old school gangsta rap there. I believe that was from The Chronic by Dr. Dre. Or it was on Snoop Dogg's first album. There we go. Word, Crypticon, word. Fun fact, I used to be able to sing / rap the entire Dr. Dre The Chronic album. Whoever it is, tell them I said hi. Popping up. So news this morning. Start spreading the news. We have none. Well, at 10 o'clock, we have something called the U.S. Leading Index Change. No clue what that is. As Mr. G mentioned at 10:15, Feds Waller and Kashkari speak. Oh, this is interesting. I'm looking at next week's calendar on the 19th, which is Monday, right? Monday? Monday. No, it's Sunday. Sunday night. No, Sunday afternoon. Well, that's weird. Never mind. I mean, Sunday afternoon before the market reopens, Powell's speaking. Since the market's not open, I guess we don't need to really worry about it. Wow. That's actually a very interesting little nugget there, Mr. G. I didn't realize that's how things started. Ouch, popping. Nope. That'd be 2.5 hours before it opens, G-Man. Ooh, nice blue candle. I want it. I want it. I want it. Where's my frickin'? There it is. I'm late as usual. Oh yeah, I heard Texas was getting some pretty good storms. Not used to that, G-Man. Morning, Chris. How are you? There we go. There's a rise. I'm doing good. Who'll stop the rain from falling? I'll invite you over to my house next time there's a tornado warning. Thank you, G-Man. Taking that off at 10:06. I'm happy with that this early morning. Reddit trading sharply higher pre-market after making a deal with OpenAI to bring its content. Oh wow. That's pretty awesome. Uh, yeah, pretty much. Low is 13 quarter. High's been 24. So yeah, that would be correct. You're welcome. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? Pushing down. Could be a slower day today with very little news catalyst. The fact that we've just absolutely been in a crazy, crazy week. right back down to where we were. 18,666, 66, 66. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Down to 663. So I got the move up. I should have got the move right back down. I didn't grab that elevator, unfortunately. And bouncing right back up. We're ping-ponging. Play the edges kind of day, maybe? Rising. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. I should have grabbed. See, I'm gonna need to be on my toes here. You can see purple candle down, living good for 5 points. This blue candle back up would have been good for 5 points. Ooh, I'm yawning. Oh, I slept good last night. I don't know why I'm tired. I mean, I know it's the end of the week and I get like 5 hours of sleep a night, but still I feel more tired than normal. Still rising back up. No 8:30 news catalyst today. Getting back up to where it stalled before, around 676. We're at 675, still rising. There we go. Boom. I took a trade on Topstep X in case you're wondering. Nice, Mr. G. Boom. Taking it off. I made boom boom boom. Give me a second. Please hold for the next available following operator. Looks like 23 ticks on a Topstep X trade there. Got a little volume spike there. Not sure we're coming right back down. And look at that, right back down. I could have taken that purple candle back down. Wow, this is almost like a perfect pinball day so far. So we did get a new high day there, 681.5. ES, slight new high day by 2 ticks. All right, G-Man. Hey, John, how you doing? Absolutely. It's been one heck of a week, both in trading and in prop firm stuff going on. SC trying to pop back up here. Doop, boop, boop. And not come all the way back down like it did last time. Welcome back, Crypticon. Interesting. I've been thinking about installing a new trading desk as well, but that would come from Amazon. Post the link, Crypt. I'm tired. Can't stop yawning. I don't know what's up with today. We're hemming and hawing here around 676. That's right. I said hemming and hawing. Hey, Jamari. Wheat. Wow. Did wheat do something yesterday? I'm shocked that I have a wheat chart. Oh, wheat had a nice fall yesterday. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put it back together again. Oh, oh. Wait, who are you over? What? Uh, who are you over consistency on, Jamari? What company? Ah. Next time, heating oil. Symbol HO. It has like $100 spread. So as soon as you mark it in, you're already down $100 to $150. So you just keep marketing in, marketing out, and you keep losing $100 per contract at a time. I didn't realize weed had that big of a spread. Ooh, sorry. Okay, I gotcha. This is a slow grind back up. Oh, I'm bored right now. Hang in there. It's 679. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate if you would gore that like button. Gore it, gore it, gore it. Ooh, there we go. Nice move back up. Try to re-hit that high. Nope. Market's taking a breath today. New high. Nice job, G. Gold pulling back. Pull there to move down. We're short off that purple. If I could find my stop, that'd be great. Where the heck is it? There it is. Thank you, finally. My stop's at the high of the day. About a 5-point stop. Maybe 6. About 5.5. There we go. Hey, Matt. How the heck are you, Matt? Nice to see you. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Good morning, Rod. Or actually, good evening, Rod. Come on, drop, drop, drop. Doesn't look like it wants to drop now. So how's everything going, Matt? Besides the Apex debacle. Yeah, I know. That's why I said besides the Apex debacle. Good. Eh, yeah, I think he was waiting for her to go on vacation to announce these changes. Well, this ain't working out, folks. Seems the trend might be strong with this one. Well, we'll see. My stop is at the high, but it's about to hit it. It's come within a tick of it 4 different times, 5 different times, 6 different times, 7 different times. It's just there. Finally hit it. It was pulsing. How far along was your son in his account, Matt? On the high day there. Oh, man. Yeah, it really sucks. I mean, if they're going to lock you out, they should at least, if they lock him out, I mean, if they're not going to let him back in, they should at least refund those PA fees. No, I don't think they are, Matt, honestly. I really believe this is a response to people gaming the system and then finally realizing it and going too far the other way. I've seen that type of response before in other things, other industries where, eh, they figure out they're being gamed and then they get real strict. I've seen it in like video game type stuff and that type of thing. Um, I just think this is a response to Alpine and people like him that were purposely blowing accounts after payouts and constantly cycling and things like that. So, I mean, I've seen the numbers Apex does. I just don't think that they're in any type of money issue. I think this is just I think this is oh my God, we've been game type thing. I'm never going to let this happen again. And thus the strict, harsh response that's too far the other way. No, I mean, I do. Like I said, I mean, I I'm not saying they're handling it right. I'm just saying I think that's why this response. I think it's not a money thing. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to say that. Uh, uh, yeah. I do know I need to get my trading to where I'm not relying on my affiliate income, so I can be more open about what I say, because Apex also has this thing where if you disparage them, I believe is the term, they can cut you off. So I'm picking and choosing my words carefully, but there's gonna be a point soon where I don't have to worry about that. No, man, I'm not trying to argue with you, bud. You know that. I want you here. I'm not. Please don't take offense. I've had to deal with egos already this week with other people, so I don't. I'm not trying to. I respect your opinion 100%. Yeah, but sometimes that hand deserves to be bitten, G, and right now is one of those times. Hey, Saudi dude, how are you? Definitely don't want to chase you off after your first time here in a long time, Matt. So I apologize. I wasn't trying to upset you at all. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Go ahead, Saudi. I do not like this price action. I do not like it, Sam. I am. My funded MMF. My funded futures. Not sure what MMF is. Okay, my funded futures. No, they're not a scam. My funded futures. My future. My funded. Gold. What's gold doing? Yeah, gold's rising up, almost at 2,400. And I have proof of the hundreds of people being paid out. So, I mean, just because somebody might have not got paid out somewhere because they probably broke a rule, I need. If you're going to show me proof, I need more than one case. You know, okay, yeah, everybody knows that story. There's more to that story from what I understand. No, it's not a scam because they had other reasons. I believe if this is the same case we've been talking about, and I can't guarantee. I mean, I'm assuming because I saw a video about something that sounds like this. The guy was also trading on his brother's account or a relative's account, which is totally against their terms of service. Believe me, if I felt my funded futures was doing something wrong, I would be the first to call them on it because, I've called them on lesser things in the past and they know I will. Um, so if I really felt there was something there, I would, point it out. At this point, I feel like Alpine is a detriment to the industry. But I mean, part of the problem with the industry is everybody, I mean, should be putting people in live accounts. I said this 2 years ago that I felt like the live account uh, firms were better positioned in this industry if people ever woke up, if people or if the companies started getting strict, whatever. None of the problems that Apex is having that they're cracking down on would happen if they put people on live more often. Alpine can do what he was doing on a live account. Um, so, I just, that is interesting because, MyFundedFutures does put people live. It's interesting that they just decided to cut ties with Alpine instead of putting them live. I mean, I guess putting them live definitely still has a risk to it. I don't know. I always have to think about that. We are nearing the top of the hour. 5 minutes to go. This price actually kind of sucks. Besides gold, as who pointed out gold? Rad pointed out gold. It's crude. Ooh, look at crude too. Crude and gold. Copper too. Everything besides like the ultra bonds rising. Why the heck would I be jealous of Alpine? You do it in a way that causes issues for everybody else. It's not that great of a thing. But you know what? You're welcome to go back to Alpine Stream, Saudi, if you want to, if I'm not making enough money for you to stick around. Listen, I'm not the one that started calling it the Alpine rule. I didn't even realize. I mean, I had heard about Alpine blowing accounts. But the thing is, Alpine's been on my stream, in here in chatting in the past. I like Alpine. He seems like a nice guy that, when he was in here talking and whatnot. I have nothing personal against Alpine. As soon as all this news started breaking, I saw it on multiple discords, people calling it the Alpine rules. So, I'm just saying what basically the entire industry is saying. If you're gonna do stupid stuff like that, don't do it openly on stream. I stay above board on everything, but I guarantee you, if I found something that was borderline, if I decided to use it, I probably wouldn't use it. If I found something that was borderline, I would not be. I would not be showing that on live stream. I would not be telling a room full of hundreds of people or however many people he gets. That's all I'm saying. I don't like it when people wreck things for other people. Still rising up here. The top of the hour is giving it a boost up to 686. ES up to ES not really moving much, up to 53.25.75. Yep. See, this stream will never be as popular as an Alpine or as a Patrick Wheeland or as a Trades by Matt because I don't go for big money wins, and even if I did, I'm talking more in points now than money because it's the points. You need to focus on the points. And I'm okay with that. I never want it to be huge like them. I want a nice community of people I like to be around. I don't want a chat that moves so fast that I can't say hi to everybody that comes in. You're not the first person to say that, Rad. I'm not sure if you've ever met Sid Chase, but he called 3,000 on gold. I believe it was back in February. Hey, Nico, welcome. Exactly, Rod, right there. Well, gee, you're hot today. Pulling back here. For some reason I thought we were at the top of the hour before now. I'm not sure why. Now we're at the top of the hour. No, Mr. G and G-Man are two different G's. But G-Man is here. We have two G's in the house. Yes, I've taken two winning trades today, Saudi dude. One on the Blue Sky, one on Topstep. Pulling back here at the top of the hour. Mr. G is the OG of the two G's. There's the G-Man. I don't actually think he's an FBI agent, though. I'm on my Discord like 18 hours a day. Wow, Rad. After the stream, sure. Well, I sleep 5 hours a night during the week, and then I sleep 10 to 11 hours on the weekends. Here's Mr. G's Twitter. And yes, I still call it Twitter. I don't care that it's actually X. Yep, I sleep mostly from 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Yeah, gold is going up, but broke 2,400. Uh, 23 ticks on the Topstep X. Oh, no, you're fine, G. I'm just saying whenever, sometimes people correct me when I say Twitter, and that's why, to me, it's always going to be Twitter. Are you still trading gold, John? Or you have a bot on gold, or what's your status with gold? I heard a noise in my ear. Oh, God. New subscriber, if you're in here, welcome to the stream. I'm going to try to pronounce your name. Please correct me if it's wrong. Welcome, Sadana Popovic. Again, if I butchered that name and you're here, please correct me. Feel free to say hello. Introduce yourself if you feel like it. No pressure. Okay, I got you, John. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Yeah, I've been noticing natural gas has been rising. Yep, Burl Ives. I still watch Rudolph every year. Depends which company. One company you have to ask for it, I believe. Not you just type in the thing in the chart on the top of the chart. So falling back down to 675. Here is Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. All right, G. I expect you back here before the bell. Okay. Awesome. Well, as we said yesterday, you're kind of at, you know, the, you've gotten all the companies that accept your country. You could add one from Earn to Trade and use it as a lead. You can't copy to Earn to Trade, but you can copy from Earn to Trade. And then you're gonna have to just add more accounts from someplace like Bulenox because you're kind of at where there really aren't any others that is an option for you. That's a good question. I have not looked up Phoenix's allowed countries, but I wouldn't have a problem with Phoenix. Phoenix seems decent. They've been around since last year. Like I said, they've done an interview with Rod Casilli. I still need to watch that interview. But yeah, if Phoenix accepts your country, yeah, they're definitely an option for you. I haven't heard that they don't pay, and like I said, I trust Rod Casilli. He would not interview them if he didn't think they were a good prop firm. And I've talked with them, not like face to face Zoom type talk, but I've talked with them, you know, in chat in email long here. Um, so I, yeah. Okay, first of all, how about a please? And second of all, when I'm out of this trade. Cool. Good luck to you. It's probably gonna be you, and that's fine. I'm still trading the Blue Sky competition account as the account you see on the screen. So I'm just kind of playing around with things. Good morning, Ace. Oh, how rude was that? Logging me out right in the middle of a trade. That is so darn rude. Awesome, Rag. Great job. Do you normally trade gold, Rad? I swear in the past, back in our earn to trade days, you were just trading ESNQ or MES and MNQ. But I could be wrong. I'm old. My memory's not exactly what it used to be. There you go, Saudi dude. There we go. Nope. Should have said that as soon as I said it. It was like, how's Ace doing today? Wait, it's gotten warm enough for sprinklers now? Weren't you just like 40 below a couple days ago? uh, well, I heard it was cold enough that you made K-pop work harder so she was allowed to throw another log on the fire to stay warm. Yeah, Ace, look, Matt LaRocco's here. Hey, Matt, look, Rad Poker's here. Hey, Rad, look, Matt's here. He's probably still here, or he might be checking out Phoenix because I gave him the link. I kind of need to know someone a little more before I put them on the mic. Like G-Man's been here for a couple years, and RJ's been here for a couple years, and I'm out of this trade. Well, of course, it pops back up, but the 7-tick loss. There's an 8-tick loss. Watch this pop right back up for me now, though. Not that I don't trust you. It's just this community's been around 2.5 years. If I start putting people on the mic that have been here 3 days, eh, I'm not questioning that. It's just a matter of, you know, earning it. Yeah, you do come across a little bit demanding. Uh, in how you phrase things. And I really wish I hadn't jumped out of this trade. I have to look at my schedule. We did talk about having an all-day stream one day. We might do that sometime here in the next couple weeks. I got to look at the schedule, look at the Phillies schedule, and see what day would be best for that. You'll be angry about what? Uh, oh, dude, that's not the way to get on the mic. Hey, that this is very unusual. So, you know, it's not a normal thing at all. We've had very, very, very good streams for many, many months. Oh no, no, no! I know you're kidding around, Matt. I don't know. Somehow I think I'm not communicating well today. I know. It's just every now and then. And I knew that was going to happen soon with Ace. Nobody puts baby in a corner. Yep. You need to stop it more often, Matt. You've missed all the Ace AI memes I've made. Like this one. So we have about 6 minutes to go until the bell. You're welcome here. You just gotta, we have a very good, polite community here, and that's what's expected. I actually, Saudi dude, I actually defended you the other day when someone said you were asking silly questions, and I defended you about with that and locked horns with somebody on that because of how it was presented, but you haven't uh, seemed to. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm trying to say, but this whole community, this whole room, whatever you want to call it, has a decorum. We're not a snaps down there. We're not a Patrick Whelan. We're not like some of these other rooms that are like totally chaotic. Wow, look at that! Holy wow! Should I fade that? And that's what people that have been here for a long time have come to expect. Yeah, I have no problem helping people. I love helping people, but a little please and thank you goes a long way. Well, that's the other thing, Saudi dude. One thing I learned a long time ago is I don't necessarily take trades because somebody says they're in a position. Um, I've had people come on here and try to tell me how to trade multiple times, and if I listened to everybody, I would just be one confused mess. Yeah, Ace, and I tend to agree with that, which is why I was trying to be lenient. I'm very lenient. I try my best to get along with everybody. Fade's not working. Guy's about to see what happens when you piss off Ace. Oh, there we go. taking it there. That was a 4.5 point trade. Hey, there's Sid. Rad, meet Sid. Chase. Rad just called 3,000 for gold, and without ever knowing you, Sid, and I said, well, there's someone else here that said 3,000 on gold back in like February. How's the farm doing, Sid? Yep. We took the same trade. I think you stayed in it for a little longer, G-Man. All right. No, you're still in it, right? Yeah. I got out at 4 points. I'm happy with that. Now, I will say, wow, that's a lot of birds. You know, if I had put my stop where I normally put my stop, I would have stopped out on that trade. I just let that trade work because I felt like it was going to work. And it worked. Have a great day, Rad. Another new subscriber, Muhammad. Welcome to the stream. See you Monday, Rad. Thanks for being here. And there's 24 for. Oh, wait, we hit the bell. Oops. I totally lost track of the bell. Oh, I even missed Ace's 2-minute warning. I apologize. There's a pop. Hey, there's no RJ yet, unless I missed him. A lot going on this morning here in MightyOxTrading. Oh, okay. I wasn't sure, Red. He's not in here as much as he used to be. We miss him. Took the long and then immediately dropped. Oops. Yep. Down it comes. Yeah, blue candle did not work there. Maybe it's a case the blue candle did not work there yet. Here comes another one. Yep. Giving back. Should always give back. There we go. There's the stop I was looking for. As we fall. Market comes tumbling down as a fall. All right. Make sure you bring some back for everybody. Have we reached bottom? That is the question. That is the question. Doesn't look like it's the bottom. Oh, here it comes. It's hanging at the 648 area. There we go. Now we're getting a rise up. Boom. 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 So that was a double boom for me. I took 15 points here on NQ on that long. And then on Topstep X, I was in the same trade and I took, give me a minute, 13 and a half points. So two separate trades there. And I got 15 on one and 13 on the other. Thank you, Ace. I'm now less than 1,100 away. I'm sorry, less than 1,200 away from passing another top step. Hang in here. All right, good luck with the bus, Ace, and the trade. I'm on market drop for Ace. I want to see Ace have a 10-point Friday. Wow, it's working. Bounce there. Rising up. Falling. Ace is up 4 points. "15 minutes after the bell, and it's only, we still only have an ATR of 5, so it's definitely a slower day." Yep, rising back up. Would have gave him 5 points. We're watching. Everybody got very quiet. Pushing down. couldn't get up higher. It couldn't take us higher. Our low overnight was at 617. We're currently at 640. Still not a big range. 686 to 617. Still only like the 70 point range or so. AMC's rising. I see AMC rising. Oh wait, I already used that joke today. Sounds better with NQ anyway. Back to not liking this price action, guys. Trying to see, is Ace still in that trade? I think he is. Yeah, did not stop him out. Still, it's coming back down. Yeah. Yuck, 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 yuck. Gold's falling. That beautiful purple candle right there. That was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, I say. Sorry, got a little carried away. Ultra bond, a new low a day. Crude oil, big pullback there. It's trying to pop up though. Copper hit a new high, then pulled back. Excuse me. We do have a tiny news report coming up at the top of the hour. U.S. leading index change month over month, whatever the heck that is. And then at quarter after the hour, 2 Fed speakers. Welcome back. I need to shave this weekend, get this beard off my face. You guys have never seen me with a beard. Nice fall, 633. 617 is the overnight low. Drop it down low, let the rooster crow. Interesting bounce there. I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Long. Yep. It's fighting, but is it fighting the good fight? Ooh, nope. Bounce. If that didn't work out, that's okay. Now we might bounce. That was a nice little volume spike. There's a small news report coming up here in about a minute and a half. I don't really expect it to move the market. And then there's Fed speakers at quarter after the hour. There's the rise up. So I was early on that blue candle. This was the candle I should have taken. I did take it on Topstep. I'm now up $418 on Topstep on the day. And we're still rising back up. We almost touched the overnight low. We got down to 620, overnight low 617. You can just send this straight to my PayPal, RJ. I'm glad to see you, RJ. Now we're kind of chopping a little higher, about 640. What's up with the religious bovine ace? Yeah, it was. I mean, it did go as far as 4 points for you, but yeah, it didn't go any further. And now we're rising up. Fed speakers in like 10 minutes. RJ finally arrived, Ace. Wow, Ace comes out with the hard hitting questions. Well, no trades for RJ today while he ponders this question. Uh, wow. Pulls back. There, it's now going. Now it's going your way, Ace. Wow. Yeah, and here I thought that like since it's Canada, it was only like 2 weeks out of the year you could play golf. Great, Ace. Now you got RJ all emotional. I work on my handicap every day, but my legs still won't grow back. Wow, nothing I'm doing today is working on this account. Yep. Yesterday's gone. Thanks to that story, RJ, I bet you Ace is going to hug K-pop just a little bit tighter tonight. Wow, look at that. That came within one tick of stopping me out and then came down. I'm out. Only ended up getting 6 ticks there, but see what happens. It's heading back toward the lows. It hit 21 there, it hit 20 earlier. Back here. So possible bounce area. 17 is the overnight low. It looks like it was a smart decision of mine. Bouncing back up. Yep. Ace is my bouncer. I know he will take care of anything that happens. Fed speakers coming up now, a little less than a minute. See if they have anything important to say. We're watching and waiting. Ooh, there's another move down. Don. Don. Oh, sorry. Nice, Sid. Great job. Sid, did you play any of the GameStop or AMC action earlier this week when it started going wild? Nice. Pull one down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Did the Fed speaker say anything? Market's not really moving to indicate that they did. Fed's Waller doesn't comment on the rate outlook in his prepared speech. But we're rising. Let's see what this looks like. 1 minute. Ooh, 1 minute would have had a nice blue candle there. Boom. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, 5 minute was kind of ugly. This is a nice blue candle on the 5. I think we're heading up. up to 650, struggling to get through there. Not anymore. Burst through. More pokes. Comes back down. Kind of pulling back. Pulling back. Jack to do it again. I do take requests. Most likely request would be to stop singing, but you know. Long. I just got a feeling. Struggling to get through 54. Pulls back. I got. Darn it. I can't think of the lyrics to that. Oh, what a feeling. No, that's not it. My feeling may have been wrong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was on Dirty Dancing, which is one of my all-time favorite movies. Don't judge me. I'm out. I should have taken it when it shot up there. But it was a winning trade. Oh, maybe it wasn't in Dirty Dancing then. I be thinking of the wrong song, obviously. Now I'm going to look that one up on YouTube. I don't know a lot of Black Eyed Peas. RJ, I think you made Ace all emotional. He left. Oh. RJ, do you have anything on your calendar for Thursday, May 30th? Of course you are. Okay. I was that suggestion about doing the all-day stream. I was thinking about doing it that day, and I was going to see if you might want to come on the mic for like a little bit, like an hour or so. But we can find another day. That's not a problem. Look at this boom up. That's okay. We can do it another day. I need to find days that I don't run into a Philly game in the afternoon, and that work good for me as well. So we'll figure one out. We will figure another day out. So it looks like the Fed speakers didn't say a word that, well, unless that's caused the boom. Didn't even think about causing the. It's an interesting candle there. Up to 666. Breaking up to 670. What's our high of the day now? You think I would mark these things? I was marking them for a bit, but Still ways to go. 686. So still, not that far. 15 points. Oh, what a feeling. No data. RJ, we were not supposed to mention that on the stream. Welcome back, G-Man. How was breakfast, G-Man? Oh, nice. Love breakfast buffets. Pulls down. No, we're gonna do one day where RJ's gonna mic up. We just need to find the day. Broke my rule, jumped in before the candle closed, but it ended up being about the same anyway. I bounced 120 ticks and bounced. Ouch. get 16 lows, and what do you get? I think it's Tennessee earning for to haul 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and a deeper in debt. This blue candle's popping up, and it needs to go. Or out. Kind of hanging here. Just kind of hanging. heading up. Heading up. Sorry, a bit distracted. Popping down. Hanging around. Market's really slowed down. Wow, yeah, it really has. ATR down to 2. Popping back up. Popping up. Just hanging around here. Popping up. And down. Yeah, we're not doing anything now. 10 minutes left to go in the stream. Dropping. Drop down low at the rooster crow. Pops up. Sorry, but got distracted. Esco? Even I'm not sure what that is, G-Man. And I know G-Man. Oh, wow. Pops. Nice pop. Once you stop, once you pop, you can't stop. Oh, there we go. So I was thinking, but I wasn't sure. Sometimes you abbreviate other things, and I'm not 100% sure. Trying to bounce a little bit here. Yeah. Pop up. Falling down. We have just about reached the end of the stream. Sorry, I got quiet there. I just got distracted. Apologize. No. So uh, we have reached the top of the hour. Do want to thank everyone for joining me. We will be back Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, bright and early. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and we will see you then. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,